Boo! It's been a long while since I unboxed something, so you know what? Let's just get straight into the video with a mystery car. Obviously, you're going to see what it is from the title, but let's open this up. Right, are you guys ready? Got the car right here. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Don't know what this is. Oh my goodness. Stuck to my wrist. Don't know what this is. This is a faster than ever Ford GT X1. So let me get this tape off my hand and we can open this up properly. Price is averted. Let's do this. Now we're going to be racing this faster than ever Ford GT against the speed machines. This may or may not be a first for YouTube. First things first is the McLaren 720S. Also, we've literally just come off the tail end of the Valentine's special, so there's still some Valentine's Day stuff there. What I meant by that was literally a couple days ago, I literally just finished editing and filming the Valentine's Day special, so I haven't really had time to clear everything up. But McLaren 720S speed machines versus the Ford GT X1 faster than ever. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, okay. Closer than I was expecting, and the McLaren takes the win. Next, the Lamborghini Veneno in red. Oh, okay, a little less close this time, and the Lambo beats out the Ford. Now one of the faster speed machines cars, the Porsche 911 GT3 with that beautiful livery. Oh, and the GT takes the win. Turns out the Porsche really wasn't that fast, but now the Pagani Zonda R, which is the second to last car. And the Ford takes the win again. Now I saved the best matchup till last with the Ford GT LM. Oh, good start from the X1, and the X1 takes the win. But it turns out the X1 is actually fairly equally matched with the speed machines. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. I'm an Android Car Static. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Ignore the voice crack, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.